At Snowballs we sell lots of lollies, we do scooped ice creams, coffees, hot food, fresh sandwiches and rolls, plenty of varieties of drinks. A lot of people will go to the pub for lunch and then come after and get their snacks to take home. There's a salt lake behind us, street behind us, so go for a walk.
I'm Dorothy McDowell from Assams Hotel. Most people, they love the old-fashioned, classic-looking pub. We do have the classic pub meals, and of course the food here is better than the normal pub food. We would like people to come and try the food that we can offer. Tourists love the windmill display. The windmill park was built to celebrate 150 years of manufacture in Beeac. Beeac has many historical buildings, including the pub.